Hey there, ever thought about shooting down a drone flying over your backyard? Well, before you grab your shotgun, let's talk about the legal consequences. The FAA, or the Federal Aviation Administration, treats drones as aircraft. That's right, even those tiny ones buzzing around your neighborhood. So, what happens if you decide to take one out? First off, it's illegal. The FAA has strict regulations, and shooting down a drone is considered a federal crime. You could face hefty fines, jail, time, or both. Now, you might be thinking, it's my property, I can do what I want. But hold on, property rights don't extend indefinitely into the airspace above your home. The airspace is regulated by the FAA, even that above your property. And it doesn't stop there. You could also be liable for civil damages. You got it, the person or company that owns that drone can sue you for the cost of the drone, loss of pay for future jobs, and any other damages. Plus, let's not forget the safety risks. Shooting into the sky is dangerous and could harm people or property. So, what's the best course of action if a drone is bothering you? Report it to the authorities. That's right, call the police. They can handle it legally and safely. So, in short, shooting down a drone is a bad idea. Stay safe and stay legal. Thanks for watching Studio 5 Drone Productions, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future videos.